I ordered pictures last week to hang out because I don't know if you can see, but
we have bare walls.
Our walls are bare because
showing nothing.
Oh, sorry. Our walls are bare because we had like tens of thousands of Christmas decorations, so
yes,
you know
that
they weren't bare.
Yes, that filled the majority of our apartment. So we're going to make
Christmas is over, and Catherine made me put up all the decorations. So
it is. Anyway, so we went to the Dollar Tree and got 14 4x6s.
Because we're not bougie enough to pay
Etsy,
$5
Marshall.
a frame.
We're just not there yet. We don't make that kind of money. So we went to the dollar store, and this is going to be for our cute little
big
8x10. We'll show you the finished
product. I have another one that I already bought a frame from.
But here's a sneak peek. We're so cute. That was our Christmas photo.
Our Christmas photo shoot.
Yeah.
And then the other one that I have is in my room.
But that's her and the boyfriend. You'll see him eventually. So
our theme is black and silver.
Yeah, black and white and silver. We got these two little clippy ones. We got the big one for us too. We got two of these black and white and kind of like silvery, squarey, embossed, edged thing.
There were honestly a bunch of picture frames.
There was, yeah. But we just had 4x6 was actually a really common one.
That's what I told
you said. We got another silver one, but this is like solid silver. We actually got two. We got 3 of these silver kind of like ribbed ones, and these all stand up on the back, but we will not be standing them up. We will be hanging them. We got this just a regular black bordered one. We got one of these.
Yeah.
Did we get one?
Yeah.
And this is a 4x6, 3 of them. And so we will be hanging these up around our apartment. And so that was the main purpose or the main thing we wanted to do tonight. I literally... upside down. Our photo wall. It's gonna go right here above our like little bar.
Ugh, all right, let's get hammering. Our little Catherine stool here, because Catherine's short.
I can't reach any of those shelves.
I need a level.
So this is what we have, finished product, can't even see all of it. Us at the State Fair, my first time. San Antonio, the Riverwalk. Actually my very first time at the State Fair. We went twice this year. Peace, mirror, selfie stick. Us at the escape room promo, really good escape room place. Kaylee's 21st birthday. Woohoo! Pizza alcohol. Kaylee and the boyfriend. Us in Austin. And then us at the Alamo. And then we also have this one that we hung up over here next to our TV. Us also at Kaylee's birthday. Another escape room. And then, oh, you can see our oh, I'm trying to frame us in between the... Oh, that's so cute. Us another.
I haven't hung mine up yet.
Look at the camera. I like Come look, come look, come look. It's so cute.
Wow. We're gonna make a coat rack like our mug rack, and I think that we should put it like this, and then put the coat rack under it. But Catherine thinks we should just put it over here next to the coat rack.
Well,
So comment below what you think.
actually, I want to say like, and then we could put shoes underneath. You
but
can't
it's
see
on
my
the
hand.
carpet, and we
Well,
have a chair.
over there. Anyway, not necessarily there, but the
Or-
whole concept is.
Or we can put it here.
I don't like
But
the mirror
Catherine
there
does not like it.
because there's a mirror right there.
Okay, but nobody can see that.
And like, I
It's
feel like
moving.
we still need something underneath it if we put the mirror there.
We could put a powder desk.
I wish you could see me
Anyway.
roll my eyes.
So that's our current dilemma.